birthday.
Happy birthday
Day to Daddy. Happy birthday, dear Daddy. Happy birthday to you, Daddy.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Yay!
Give me a birthday kiss. I love you. Now it's time to get. What is it time for now? What are we going to get now? We're going to get some cake.
Oh, who wants a piece of cake? I don't think Bean wants any cake. Bean, you don't want any cake, do you?
No, I want to eat.
Okay. Oh, careful.
Bean, you don't want any cake, do you?
Okay, now why don't you go with Mommy and cut it up?
No, we're not going to cut it up. I think we'll wait till tomorrow to eat the cake. I think tomorrow is a better day.
Okay, no cake today.
No cake today. We've had a bunch of stuff to eat. We're going
I
to...
want that.
You want that?
No, you don't want
You
cake.
don't want cake, do you?
I like cake.
I think that we'll go have some nice pasta instead. Let's go have some pasta, Bean. Okay? We don't need cake right now. We'll have the cake tomorrow instead.
All right.
You know what? You'd be a lot more upset if Daddy weren't letting you. Okay, here's our cake.
We're going to have a cake.
Happy birthday, Daddy, it says. Oh, but
Every
apparently
year
part
older-
of it's missing.
Every year I get older, we're going to get the cake smaller, so by the time I'm 50, it'll be
No,
like-
Bean, what it's working is every year his waistband gets bigger, the cake gets smaller.
Here, Bob.
All right, happy birthday, Daddy.
Come on, Bob, let's put the